discussion today for me was more to do with how do we ensure that whether there is strike notices or not, that the health workers are safe and the health workers are secure. Because, you know, every sector is losing people. As I have said in my speech, politicians are losing people. Everybody is losing people. But we want to make sure that the people who protect us, you know, are the ones that are secure, or there are special case because of that particular aspect. And therefore, for example, tomorrow, as I said, the meeting is to straighten out on all insurance matters, and that will be done. On the matters to do with the PPEs, is to straighten out to make sure that there is no health worker who loses his or her life because of a PPE, and I can assure you, they shouldn't, because they are enough. The issues to do with the safety of their families and their own safety, and therefore, and the compensation thereof in the event of a problem. So that's the issue of discussion that I engaged them today. But I also took the opportunity, to urge our healthcare workers to please remember that we are in a very abnormal situation, so that even as we address the demands that are being made, let's address the demands that can also ensure that we save lives, that we save our people's lives. Anybody passing on, any doctor is somebody's sister or brother. Any market woman is somebody's mother or sister. Anybody riding a boda is similarly a brother or a sister, is a brother or somebody's father. So we are saying that everybody is important, but we want to make sure that we take a special classification of doctors. We have said, and I give a narrative, that even in war, civilians get killed, and that's a fact. Children lose lives. But what we always do is ensure that our armies are looked after, because they are the ones who can save those who are left. And that's the spirit with which we discussed. I think we had a cordial discussion. I